Pa? Papa, let me go. No, in here. The krung.
Lemon crack.
Uh-huh. Medang. Turmeric. Garlic. And that's it? And the krung. Red garlic?
Red garlic.
Uh-huh. Onion or garlic? Small red onion.
Red garlic.
And you don't put salt yet because it won't be poi.
Tạch. Cook. To rough it easy to tender.
Tender cha. And then cha? Half an hour? Let it cook for half an hour? And then you put celery? Or you put the salt?
Put celery. That's it.
So you put salt, sugar, the chicken, and then nimika. And Khmer?
Maria Prau.
Mereh Prau?
And trope. Mình cái trope xong ấy. Hoặc là cái trope cái chuột mà anh lật sai chứ. Mình chắc. Hoặc
That's Mereh Prau. And there are two different things? Or two or three?
Outside.
Yeah.
Crow outside.
Uh-huh.
Outside cái này
And then you put it in the oven? Mereh Prau and
mình trope cái do mặt chuột sao?
what's katrop?
Look the same but different kind of plane.